Good morning, all of you, and peace be upon you. Preparation of hydrogen halides. Preparation of hydrogen fluoride, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, and hydrogen iodide by hydrolysis of phosphorus trihalides. Hydrolysis of phosphorus trihalides. Gaseous hydrogen halides are produced when water is added in drops to phosphorus trihalide except phosphorus trifluoride. So, hydrolysis of phosphorus trihalide is used in the preparation of hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, and hydrogen iodide. It is not used in the preparation of hydrogen fluoride. Common reaction PX3 plus 3 molecules of water gives H3PO3 and loss of HX. HX, our hydrogen halide. So, in this reaction, phosphorus acid is obtained as a byproduct. For example, the halogen here taken is chloride. Phosphorus trichloride undergo hydrolysis gives phosphorus acid and HCl. Hydrogen bromide preparation is different. Hydrogen bromide may be obtained by adding bromine, which is in liquid state, dropwise to a paste of red phosphorus and water, while hydrogen iodide is conveniently produced by adding water dropwise to a mixture of red phosphorus and iodine. So, in the first step, red phosphorus undergo direct reactions with halogen, produce phosphorus trihalide. Again, as usual reaction, phosphorus trihalide undergo hydrolysis gives hydrogen halide. For example, phosphorus react with bromine gives phosphorus tribromide, which undergo hydrolysis gives phosphorus acid and HBr. Phosphorus undergo reaction with iodide gives phosphorus triiodide, which on hydrolysis gives hydrogen iodide. Any halogen vapors which escape with the hydrogen halide is removed by passing the gases through a column of moist red phosphorus. Now, we are going to discuss how actually the reactions takes place. Preparation of hydrogen halide. Hydrolysis of phosphorus trihalide. This method is used to prepare only 3 hydrogen halides. So, hydrolysis of phosphorus trihalide used to prepare only hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, and hydrogen iodide, but not hydrogen fluoride. Only these 3 halides can be prepared by the hydrolysis of phosphorus trihalide method. Simple reaction. Phosphorus trichloride PCl3. Phosphorus oxidation state in PCl3 is 3 plus. Chlorine we know always -1. When we write in class, that one is here, this 3 is there. PCl3 undergo hydrolysis with water molecule. HOH gives hydrogen is a monopositive ion, OH is minus 1 minus. Now this H plus combined with the Cl minus. We know plus is always combined with the minus. So what are the product are obtained? First HCl, hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid. We know H is plus 1, chlorine is minus 1. When we write in cross, we will get here 1 chlorine valency, there 1 plus. This phosphorus combined with the OH minus. How to write the molecular formula? Phosphorus P combined with the OH. So this plus combined with this minus form POH. So what are the valencies? Phosphorus is in plus 3 oxidation state, OH minus 1 oxidation state. When we write in cross, that 1 is here, this 3 is there. That is nothing but H3PO3. This is your H3PO3. What is the name of that compound? That is your phosphorus acid. That is your phosphorus acid. Phosphorus acid. And also hydrochloric acid is obtained. Now balance the equation. 3 phosphorus, 3 phosphorus. 3 chlorine, 3 chlorine. The equation is balanced. So this is the first method of preparation of hydrogen chloride. Using this, we can also prepare other hydrogen bromide. For example, same reaction we can continue. PBr3, phosphorus valency 3. In PBr3, phosphorus is in plus 3 oxidation state, bromine is minus 1. That 1 is here, this 3 is there. PBr3, when treated with, undergo hydrolysis with water molecule. Water molecular formula H plus OH minus. Hydrogen charge is plus 1, OH minus 1. We know how the reaction takes place. H plus combined with the Br minus form HBr. H plus combined with the Br minus form HBr, and this plus phosphorus plus combined with the OH minus form POH thrice. We know oxidation state of hydrogen is plus 1, Br is minus 1, oxidation state of phosphorus plus 3 and OH minus 1. When we write in cross, we will get that one is here, this one is there. OH valency should be written here, phosphorus valency is 3. So this is nothing but H3PO3, phosphorus acid. Second method of preparation. This method used to prepare hydrogen bromide. To prepare hydrogen iodide by hydrolysis method, same Pi3. Phosphorus is plus 3 oxidation state and iodine minus 1. Iodine valency is written here, phosphorus valency there, plus. Undergo hydrolysis by the addition of water molecule. H charge is plus 1, OH charge is minus 1, gives which combine with which one? Plus is always combined with the minus. Form HBr, hydrogen iodide. Hi, not Br, Hi plus One more. OH minus combine with the phosphorus plus. So P3 plus OH minus 1. Charge on these ions are plus 1 minus 1, phosphorus plus 3, OH minus 1. When you write in graphs, iodine valence is here, hydrogen valence is there, OH valence is here, phosphorus valence is there. This compound is nothing but H3PO3 phosphorus acid. So by hydrolysis of phosphorus trihalide, we prepared hydrogen chloride, hydrogen iodide and hydrogen chloride. HF cannot be prepared by this method. Then specially to prepare hydrogen bromide and hydrogen iodide, a simple method is used. To prepare hydrogen bromide, HBr, we know bromine is a Br2. Bromine is a liquid non-metal. Therefore, in the preparation of HBr, a vessel is taken. Now, the vessel contain a paste of red phosphorus and water. A paste of red phosphorus and water. A paste of red phosphorus and water is taken in a vessel. To this mixture, Br2, bromine, liquid bromine is added dropwise. Liquid bromine is added dropwise. What happens in the first reaction? When we add Br2 phosphorus, phosphorus undergo reaction with bromine Br2 gives phosphorus tribromide PBr3. You know the valence is phosphorus plus 3 and bromine minus 1. When we write in crash, we will get PBr3. So first this reaction takes place, and you also know the balancing. Here 2, there 3, odd number, even number. Write this odd number before Br2, even number before PBr3, 2 phosphorus, 2 phosphorus. In the second reaction, this water molecule hydrolyze PBr3. Already we have discussed PBr3 undergo hydrolysis, HOH gives what are our product? We know this is our product, HBr and POH thrice. PBr3 undergo hydrolysis gives HBr and H3PO3. Hydrogen bromide HBr and H3PO3 phosphorus acid is obtained. 3 bromine atom, 3O, 3O. So there also equation we have to balance. 3 bromine atom, 3 bromine atom, 3 oxygen, 3 oxygen. 3 iodine atom, 3 iodine atom, 3 oxygen, 3 oxygen. So this is the method used to prepare hydrogen bromide. So what is the sentence we used? Liquid bromine is added dropwise to a mixture of which compound? Red phosphorus and water mixture. Then one more thing is said. To prepare hydrogen bromide, hydrogen iodide, HI. What is the word we are going to use? Now, water Drop is added to a mixture. Take a vessel. This is a vessel which contain a paste of red phosphorus and iodine. Red phosphorus and iodine paste is taken in this vessel. Now, water is added dropwise. In the previous, liquid bromine is added dropwise. Here, water is added dropwise. We know the first reaction is phosphorus undergo reaction with iodine present in the paste gives Pi3, 3,2,2 phosphorus. Pi3, phosphorus triiodide. Already we have discussed that reaction. See here, Pi3 undergo hydrolysis gives Hi and phosphorus acid. Same reaction. That reaction is repeated here. Pi3 undergo hydrolysis gives Hi, hydrogen iodide, plus phosphorus acid, H3PO3. 3 iodine, 3 iodine, 3 oxygen, 3 oxygen. The equation is balanced. So, this is one of the method of preparation of hydrogen halide. What is the name of this method? Hydrolysis of phosphorus trihalide. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.